Assalamu alaikum grade 4. I hope you all are fine. This is lecture number 4, chapter 2, addition and subtraction. Today we are going to discuss about subtraction. So first of all, subtracting numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping means without carrying. So it's very simple, as you already know the process of subtraction. Write a greater number at upper place and smaller number at lower place according to their place values. There are 8 ones and 1 ones. So start from very first place value, which is ones. There are 8 ones and you have to subtract 1 from this place. Similarly, you have 4 tens and you have to subtract 4 from them. There are 9 hundreds and you have to subtract 7 from these 9 hundreds. Similarly, there are 5,000 and you have to subtract 2 from thousands. So let's start. These are 8 ones, so you just subtract 1 ones. It's 7 ones now. Then when you subtract 4 from 4, it means you cut all these 4 bars of tens, you will get 0. Then subtract 7 from 9, so it means you cut these 7 squares of 100, so you get 200. It means you write here 2, and in thousands you have to cut down to thousands, so it's 3. The number is 3207. Then come to the next. Start from ones. You have to subtract 1 from 6. So what we will get, we have 5 now. When we subtract 4 from 9, we get 5. When we subtract 2 from 8, we get 6. And when we subtract 3 from 7, we get 4. So it's 4655. In next example, this is subtraction with regrouping. What regrouping means? It means when you carry some number. When you carry a number from another place. For example, in see here at one's place, you never subtract 3 from 2. So what to do? You just take one number away from tens column and shift it in ones column. So it is 12 now. Why 12? Why not 3? No, it's not 3, it's 12, because when you take away from tens, it's mean tens. 1 tens means 10 ones. Then 10 ones shift in here in ones place. So 10 plus 2 in tens place, it's equals to 12. So you easily subtract 3 from 12 now. It's 9. When you borrow from tens, it's no more 3 now. It's 2. So 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now at 100 place, you cannot subtract 6 from 5. Again you take one number, or you borrow one number from 1000 place and write here 1. It's 15 now, and subtract 6 from 15. We have 9. But this is not 5 anymore. This is 4. So subtract 2 from 4, we will get 2. This is 5 because you subtract 2 from 7. Another example, see there are some colorful balls. In ones place you have total how many balls? Yes, 13 balls, blue balls. In ones place we have to cut down 9. So we will get 4 4 ones. In 10th place, we have how many red balls we have? We have 15 red balls. So we cut down 7 balls. So it's 8 now. In 100 place, we have 13 again, and we cut down 8. So we will have 5 now. At 1000 place, we have 12 yellow balls and we cut 6. So we get 6. At 10,000 place, we have 7 purple balls and we cut 2 balls. So it's 5 now. So it's 56,584. Now this is another example. Again, regrouping. We regroup the digits. How we regroup that? For example, see at ones place, we never subtract. We could not subtract 6 from 4. So what to have to do? We just take one number from this tens place and write it with 4. It's not 4 anymore, it's 14 now. So when we subtract 6 from 14, we have 8. Now when we borrow one number from tens, it's not 2 now, it's 1. So 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Then again at 100 place, we could not subtract 5 from 3. So we have to make it 13. How? We just borrow one number and write 1 here. It's 13 now. So how we subtract 5 from 13? What we will get? It's 8 now. And this is not 6 now. This is 5. So when we take 1 from here, so it is 15 now, and this is 0. So subtract 8 from 15. What we will get? We get 7, and this is 0. So it's mean nothing. So its answer is 7,808. Now move to next topic, which is properties of subtraction. As we already learned about properties of addition. First property. Its first property is order of difference. The difference between two numbers is not the same when the order of the numbers are switched. So what it means switched? It means when two numbers change their places. Switched mean change their places. So their difference is not the same. As you remember in previous lecture, the properties of addition, we already learned about the order of addition. It's mean when you add two numbers and change their order, the answer or sum remains same. But in subtraction, when we change the order, when we shift number here, first place to second place and second place to one place, so the answer is not the same. The difference is not the same. As you can see in the example, when you subtract 150 from 285, the difference is 135. But when you write here that you have to subtract 285 from 150, we couldn't. The answer is in negative. So the answer or the difference not same. See the example. When here we have 2563 minus 1311. Its difference is not same of this difference. Why? In here we subtract smaller number from greater number. But here when we change the order, second number at first place and first number at second place. See here, this is second number and this is first number. So when we change the order, the answer is not the same, the difference is not the same. So that's why here is not equal to this one. But when you learned about properties of addition, when you change the order, see here, when you change the order, sum remains same. So in addition, there is no difference in their sums, but in subtraction, the difference is not the same. The second property, which is grouping of terms in subtraction sentence. The difference is not the same when different terms are grouped together in the subtraction sentence. In this property, we have, if we have three numbers and we first make different group and in second time we make different groups, the answer or the difference, it is not the same. But in addition, we learned that the grouping of terms in addition, they have the same answer. See here, we have three terms here, and when we grouped, firstly we grouped these two terms and solve this. Secondly, we make different group of first and second term. The answer never be same. But in addition, when we regroup them differently, just see that there is a group of second and third term, and there is group of first and second. The answer or the sum must be same. I hope you understand well. The third and the last property is zero property of subtraction, which is similar to the addition, zero property of addition. It's when 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer remains as the original number. This is because 0 has no value. As when we subtract 0 from any number, it's 429. When we subtract 0 from this, we get the same number. Similarly, when we have 107 and minus 0, we get the same number. Similar in addition, when we add 0 in any number, we have the same number. Now it's your homework. Do book page number 28, 29, 30 and 35. Thank you.